Hey folks, Matt Kuda here. Welcome back to another video of the Lightroom Editing Series. And today we're going to look at a function, not so much an edit, but a function of Lightroom. And it's one that I think is very important. If you're new to Lightroom, you may not know about this feature, but it's been with Lightroom for a long time, and it's called Smart Collections. Now, I'm going to make a smart collection today and just show you how it works. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a smart collection that looks at all my images for the year that have a rating of 2 stars or better. Actually, let's do 3 stars or better. So over to the left of your screen, you have, of course, we're in Library module up here at the top. On the left of the screen here, you've got your catalog up here. You've got where all your images are stored over here in all the folders. And then you have this tab called Collections. And Collections is exactly what it is. It's a collection of images that when you click on it, you only see the images that you want in the collection. Now, there are regular collections and there are smart collections. A regular collection, you just drag images into that collection and they're just a static collection. Smart collections, you can actually specify what kind of where criteria you want. So I want all the images where the rating is greater than 3 and the year is last year, so you can create filtering conditions or search conditions that it's really handy. It's handy if you're getting into this from any perspective, whether you're a professional or an amateur. Being able to know where your photographs are is important. So every year I create a smart collection for the entire year where I have a rating of 3 or better. So if we look at smart collections here, I'm going to click on smart collections. I'm going to right click on it. And I'm going to say create smart collection. We're going to call this collection 2021. Since I already have a 2021, I'm going to put -delete. Now you're not going to want to do that since you're creating a fresh one, but I already have a 2021, so that doesn't make sense to keep 2 of them. Now, you can put it inside the smart collections. Over here on the left side of the screen here, you see the Smart Collections folder. You can keep it in there or you can put it outside of that. I'm going to keep it in there. Okay, the first thing that comes up here is rating. Now, if I click on the drop down, there's all kind of things. I can have the pick flag, I can have label, and I can even go down here and select the location if I have location information, camera info. Now, this is nice. You can say, I want to see all the images that I took using this camera body or using this lens. I have used this before a lot. When I'm thinking about buying another lens, I compare it to previous images I've made with my other lenses. And it makes for a really nice nice comparison tool. So there's all kind of ways you can do this. You can look just for images that are cropped. Maybe you want to use Gigapixel AI and upsize your images from some of these old photos from back when you had an 8 megapixel camera or something like that. So it's just whatever you want here. So we're going to keep it simple. We're going to say I want a rating of my image, and that's the star rating, that has more than 3 or more stars. Okay, that's the way to think of that. And then I'm going to click the plus symbol. That's like saying, and it has to, let's see, have the year, the dates. We want the capture date is after 12/31 2019 or 2020, sorry. And is less than, so capture date stop it. Capture date is before 1/1 2022, right? Okay. So this is going to give me everything that has 3 or more stars that was captured during the year of 2020. I'm going to click create. And there you go. You have all the images. Here's all the images that I've taken in 2021 that have 3 or more stars. So I've been fairly busy, as you can see. But that's all there is to it. You can get very complicated. Like I said, you can create some pretty elaborate views. And for me, this is a great way to search. You can create a temporary search just to see, maybe you have a client asking for, do you have any, great blue herons that were done during the breeding season in Vieira wetlands or something? And then you can search by location and all that kind of stuff. And then you can quickly get back to the client and say, yes, I've got 20, or no, I don't have anything for that. I'm sorry. I will put that on my list though. So that's it in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed it. Go out there and use smart collections.